Hello Africa, hello Ghana, hello Nigeria. You're welcome to my channel. It's your voice Sunny Media. So guys, I'm currently at Kejetia Metropolis. So guys, I want to drive you through from Kejetia Metropolis to Abuakwa. Yes, the Sunyani road in Kumasi, Ghana. Yes, for us to see how the road looks like, for us to see how the construction of the Abuakwa from Tana. So I'll drive you through from Kejetia here to Konfanashi, from Konfanashi to Bekwai roundabout. From Bekwai roundabout we'll go to Santas. From Bekwai roundabout we'll go to Sufo line. Yeah, from Sufo line, guys, we'll go. I drive you through to Tanaso, from Tanaso to Abuakwa. So we know all, guys, that the road is under construction. So we want to see how the road construction is going, right? Yes, so that is why I'm here to take you through, guys, to drive you through from here, Kejetia here to Abuakwa, for us to see how the road construction from Tanaso to Abuakwa is ongoing, guys. Yes, so I will also drive you from Abuakwa to, as if we are going to Sunyani road, for us to see how the road looks like. So guys, come with me, let's go. Here is Kejetia. Yes, so we are now going to, here is Pampas. So yes, if you know this place very well, Pampas here in Kejetia. Yes, so we'll be driving you from here now to we'll get to Konfanashi. No, before Konfanashi, we'll pass from this right hand going, that fence is zoo. Yes, the Kumasi zoological park. So, and this is the hospital by my left. Yes, Konfanashi Hospital. We'll pass through there though, and also a cultural center. We'll be passing through cultural center also. So this video was requested by Osei Tututawea. Osei Tututawea, one of my subscribers on YouTube. So hope you are seeing and you are watching the video you've requested. Yes, so guys, if you have any video in mind for me to film, name it in the comment section, guys, below. This is cultural center by the right side. Yeah, this place, cultural center. So we're passing, going straight, guys. We are approaching to Konfanashi Hospital, guys. Yes, Konfanashi Teaching Hospital. Yes, so we'll be passing through here and we'll be going down straight to Bekwai roundabout. From Bekwai roundabout we'll pass by the right side, going down to Sufo line. So then from Sufo line, guys, we'll be going to IPT, from IPT to Tanaso, from Tanaso to Abuakwa, Sunyani road. So guys, let's see how this road looks like, guys, and especially that Tanaso to Abuakwa construction, how they are constructing the road, whether they are finished constructing the road or not. So we're gonna see, guys. So let's go. So we are now at Bekwai roundabout. Yeah, so this is where Bekwai roundabout, if you know Bekwai roundabout very well. So we'll be passing the right side here, going to Sofo line. So we are going straight to Sofo line now, guys. So let's go. So this is the Sofo line interchange. Yeah, so we are now at Sofo line interchange, guys, as you can see. So we are now going down to the Sofo line bus stop. Yeah, from there we'll be going to IPT, from IPT to Tunnel. So let's go. So here is the Sofo line bus stop. Yeah, so we'll be going from here also straight to IPT, from IPT to Tanaso, to Abuakwa, from Abuakwa. So if we are going to Sunyani, but I won't take you up to Sunyani, but I will pass the road, guys, for us to see how the place looks like. Let's continue going. we are now at IPT guys. So from IPT we'll be going to Tanaso, from Tanaso to Abuakwa guys. So guys, let's continue going and see how I hope you are enjoying what I'm showing you guys. If you like it, let me know in the comment section guys. Also give the video a big thumbs up. Yes, let's this video get 200,000 likes guys, and also 300 million views. Let's go, share it guys, share it to your friends, share the video for others to see. Let's continue going guys. So guys, we are at the town or so already. Yeah, so all the while we have been passing, going up there. Yeah, so at town or so guys. So anytime you're coming from Kejetia to town or so, we are approaching the bus stop. Yeah, up there, the bus stop, Tanaso. So we'll be going from the Tanaso now to Abuakwa guys. From Abuakwa going to Sunyani. So guys, let's go. See the road from Tanaso to Abuakwa is under construction. Godo. They finished some parts they've not finished constructing it. They are still men are still at work. So but we'll see if, when we get to Abuakwa, we'll see how the whole place looks like. Let's continue going and see guys. So because the road is still under construction guys, so we'll be diverting through the left side. So you see they've blocked the other lane. Yeah, so we'll be diverting through this company, Kasapraku, right? Don't know whether I'm getting it, the owner of the Alumo Bitters. So we're going straight from here now, going to Abuakwa, guys. So want to see how the road construction is going. Hope you have been seeing it already, guys, from behind, how the construction is going. So you see, they have done a lot of work in here, and the construction is still ongoing, guys. As you can see, you see they are still constructing the road, guys. So very soon they will finish it and also put road markings. Yes, road marks. They will put everything in order. So because the road is still under construction, but they are doing marvelous work here. If you have known how this road looks like before, you should know the kind of work they must have put in here, guys. So let's continue going to Abuakwa, guys. From Abuakwa to Sunyani Road for us to see how it looks like. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, we are in Abuakwa already. This is where the road construction stopped, so they are going to finish it. Yes, they are coming to finish the construction, guys. So you see the time we are coming, the construction workers, they are constructing the road coming forward. So we are in Abuakwa, guys. So if you know Abuakwa very well, maybe this construction something may confuse you, but we are in Abuakwa, guys. So I'll be driving you through from Abuakwa going to Sunyani Road, as if we are going to Sunyani, guys, for us to also see how the road looks like. But I'm not going to get up to Sunyani. There's some point I will just stop, guys, but I will try to go through the Sunyani Road, guys. So here is the Abuakwa, guys. Yeah, so let's continue moving. So guys, here is the Sunyani Road. Yes, going straight. So let's go to Sunyani, guys. Are you ready to go to Sunyani, guys? Let's go to Sunyani, guys, and see how Sunyani looks like. So guys, if you watched this video up to this point, let me know in the comment section that you really watched this video up to this point. Yes, also let me know where you are watching from. Yeah, and also request a video where you want me to go and film. I will go and do it for you guys. Yes, if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Also share the video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.